Hi there, welcome to CAD Center Ambanath training videos. In this video, you are going to learn about the multilines. Multilines are used to draw plans, road map drawings, or for drawing the three-phase signal, multiple bus, like that. For drawing more lines at a time, more than 2 lines at a time, we can use multilines. So multiline can be accessed from the draw palette. In that you can see there is an option over here, multiline, or else at the command prompt you can type ML and hit enter. Now there is a current setting, justification is stop, scale is 1, style is standard. Let's draw with the current setting the multiline. You can see, so it is getting drawn with the cursor at the top line. Let's choose 0 option now. So while drawing only you will see the difference. Now the cursor is in between the 2 lines. Again I will choose the justification as bottom, and you can see the cursor is at the bottom line. When you select all these, you can see the difference. For the top line, the grip point is located at the upper line or topper line, and for 0 option it is lying between the 2 lines, and for the bottom option it is at the grip point is at the lower line, that is bottom line. So whichever option you can use for drawing the objects. Okay, now you can see in the multiline command scale option is there. Right now the current scale is 1. I want to change it to say 2. Now if I draw, you can see the gap between the 2 lines has increased. You can check it with the distance command, the difference. You can see here the distance is 1, or this is really an option dimension. You can see here it is 1.998 because I have set the the precision to be equal to 1, so that is why it is showing like that. Okay, no problem. I will change its precision in the dimension style to say okay, and then we'll check the dimension, the gap between the 2 lines. Now you can see it is 2 here, and here it is 1. So that is the scale. Scale is the difference or the gap between the 2 lines. Okay. Now again we'll go to the multiline command. Okay. So using this setting, I will now let me check what I have set for the unit. Okay, I set it to the engineering. Okay, no problem. I am going to draw a plan with the multiline command. Let's see. I will set the scale the 9" for the outer wall, and I will start drawing here. Okay, second, let me zoom out here. Okay, once again ML enter. So click here. I will set the ortho mode on, and then I'll give say the distance as say 20 feet, and say this side it is 10 feet. Again here 10 feet, 10 feet. So this is 20, this is 10, means I'll give say 30 feet here. And if I want to close this, I just choose the close option. Okay. See, you can see how neatly the outer wall is drawn. Now I want to draw the inner wall. For that I will set the scales to say 4.5 inches. Okay. Now fine. Now I am just drawing the inner wall just like that without any dimension, just because I want to show the editing options for multiline. Okay. I'm just drawing it like that only. Okay, remove this also. Okay. Okay. Now, I don't want these lines in between. Then what I can choose? If I choose the trim command, it's not going to cut it properly, because you can see the other part is also getting trimmed. So I don't want that to happen. So for that purpose, I can use multiline edit command. So multiline edit command, type ml edit, or else double click on the multiline. You will get different multiline editing tools here. So I want this part to be like this. Okay. Here also I want to do the same thing. Okay, but here I cannot use that part. What I'll do, I will choose the open T. Okay, similarly here. Again here. So you can see how easily I can modify the multiline, because since it is not connected properly, it is not getting edited. Yes. Okay, I will check. This part will. Okay. This is another multiline. So it was not getting clicked properly, that is why it is having like that problem. Okay. Yes. Now if you want to cut in between for say door, you can choose cut all option and you can cut in between like this. and after cutting also it is, you can see that it is a single entity. Okay, now let's make another style for the multiline. For that, type ML style, click on new. You can specify some name related to your drawing. Okay, and click on continue. Then if you want the lines to be closed at the end, start and end, you can see here the preview. If you want that to be at specific angle, you can give that way also. If you don't want that, again you can give 90 degree here. Okay, then again if you want outer arc, you can choose that one also. Okay, again inner arcs, for that you need to add more lines. Okay, so for that click on add. You can see at the zero offset the line is getting added. I want to shift that to say 1, so it has got shifted upper side, and I want one more to add, and that I want to shift to the lower side. You can see here. Now for this case you can use inner arcs. Okay, now you have understood what for these inner arcs are used. Okay, so like that you can choose outer arc also. Okay, if you want to draw any object of this kind, then you can use this option. Okay, now if I want to set the line type for this one, select that one and click on the line type option and click on load. You can choose the line type whichever you want. Okay, and select that one and click OK. Similarly, I want to use the same line type for that also, second line also. Okay, and here you will not see the difference. After drawing you will come to know. Okay, I'll click on the corner joints if you want, and then click on OK. Let's see how it is getting drawn. Click on the set current because I want to use it now. Click on OK. Okay, now I'll use multiline command, ML enter. When I draw here, you can see how it is getting drawn. So you can make use of this one for drawing the windows. Okay, fine. For that the end should be closed. Okay, so if you want to make modification in that, I need to delete it first. Again I will go to multiline style command and I will click modify, and then I will put the lines for the start and end, and then click on OK, and then again click on OK. Then I will use multiline command and say I want to put the now I will choose the justification to top, and then I will draw here. The length you can specify whatever you want, and let me complete it here like this. So this way you can put the window. So this side, for this time I want to use it like this. Okay, so you can see how easy it is. Now again I want to change the multiline style. I want to create another one, so I will click on new I will say this one as a 3-phase signal. Okay, and then not, I don't want to start with standard, I want to start with standard, not with a plan 2. Okay, because there is a space in between, so it is not, I'll just put underscore there and then I'll click on continue. Okay, now I want 3 lines here. Okay, so I will set the offset to be equal to, let it be 0.5 only. I will add one more line here. Okay, then for this line I will give, say, red color. Okay, and then for this one I will give yellow color, and for this one I will give blue color. Okay, yes, fine. Then I will click on OK, and I will set this as a current one and click on OK. Okay. Now I will draw the 3-phase signal with the multiline command. You can see here, this is a multiline with 3 lines at a time. So like that you can choose multiple lines. If you want to draw the bus with multiple lines, say 8 lines or 16 lines at a time, that can be done with this multiline command. Using multiline style command, you can set that one. Okay. Now I want to make modifications in this multiline style. For that I will delete this one. Then only I can make changes in that. So I will choose multiline style command. In that I will choose this, I will rename that one. That is, I'll write the name as, say, row. Okay, and I'll make modifications in that. Okay, so this is red, this is yellow, this one I'll make, say, green color, and for the center line I will choose this line type as a center line. Okay, click on OK. Select the center line and click on OK. If you want the joints, you can choose that. If you want to close these two, that one also can be done. Okay, click on OK, then again OK. Now I'll use multiline command. I'll draw the multiline. Okay, you can see how beautifully we can draw this multiline. Okay. Okay. Why I am drawing like this? Because I want to show all the editing tools. Again, I will go to the multiline edit command. In multiline edit, I will choose first close cross. Then I will click on these 2 lines. You can see this is a close cross. Next, I'll choose the open cross. So this is open cross. Next, I'll choose merge cross. So in that case, the center line is getting merged. Okay. Now if I want the corner joint, I'll click here and here. So you are getting the corner joint. Now if I want to add vertex, I can click vertex, many as much I want. Okay, like this. And if I want to delete, I can choose delete vertex. So like that we can delete the vertex point. Now in this, if I want to cut single line somewhere here, you can cut that way. If you want to cut all the 3 lines, you can choose cut all option like this. And if you want to join them again, you can choose weld all option. Okay, so this way we can use multiline for drawing plan, roads, 3-phase signal, bus, etc. I hope you have understood how to draw plan, roads, 3-phase bus. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section, and do subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching this video.